Take an onion, peel the skin, and cut it into small pieces. After that, put them in a mixer jar, and grind them to make a smooth paste. Squeeze out the onion juice from the paste. You will have to make fresh every time, as you cannot store this juice. If you want, you can also add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil to this juice and use. Apply this juice to your scalp. Massage it gently, and leave it on for 30 minutes. Let your scalp absorb all the goodness of onion juice and coconut oil for a while. You can add few drops of essential oils like lavender oil or rosemary oil to avoid the pungent smell of onion juice. After 30 minutes, wash off your hair with a mild sulfate-free shampoo. You can use this juice twice in a week. Onions are high in dietary sulfur, a nutritional element our bodies need. Sulfur is found within amino acids, which are components of protein. Proteins, and especially keratin, which is known to be sulfur-rich, are needed for growing strong hair. When added to the hair and scalp, onion juice can provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair, thus preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. The sulfur from onions may also help promote collagen production. Collagen in turn helps the production of healthy skin cells and hair growth. Onions' rich antibacterial properties help keep your scalp healthy and free of infection, promoting unhindered hair growth. These same properties also help control dandruff. Onion juice stimulates your scalp and improves the circulation of blood, resulting in follicles that are well nourished. They also add volume to your hair. Do a patch test first, before using onion juice directly to your scalp. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.